This is a counter pole to it. So if I went like this here, you'd probably see me go up the floor like this because it will take you for a ride, you know. So obviously, these size bells have their toll when you ring them. That's why I was really hoping you'd say 5 minutes and not 15 minutes, because structurally, that's a long time, okay, thinking about it. That's a long 15 minutes. If they're electronic, like Rollstone's electronic, doesn't matter, okay? Not that I can't pull it for 15, it's just the vibration. Think about it in the building itself. That's a lot of vibration.
Okay, now.
That's all there is, folks.
How do you feel, Fedor?
Huh?
How do you feel?
Good, good. A lot of fun, a lot of fun. Very important. We're glad we could be part of it.